Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremy here at Strongman Structures. Check out my hands today. These are painter's hands. I repainted this little shed here. I gave it another coat. It was starting to peel a little bit. So I think what happened at the factory, I ordered this little shed here for my wife. And I'm going to finish it out for her for a little sewing room, little hobby room, little craft room, sewing room. And when I got the building, the paint was peeling a little bit. And so I believe what happened is when it was stained with the urethane stain, it was pulled out of the paint booth a little bit too soon before it dried and cured, and it got rained on. So anyways, I got some new stain from the factory, and I went all the way around the building. And I caulked it really good. I caulked all of the trim. You can see here. Looks nice. And I repainted it. So that was the number one step I'm doing here. The next thing I'm going to do is go inside and get the electrical ran. So I'm working on installing a little electric box here. I'm going to have some outlets and a light switch. These are double pane windows here. And so I'm going to insulate this really good. And yeah, she'll have a little shed to hang out in. Little she shed, sewing shed, whatever you want to call it. And that's what I do. I sell these storage buildings here in Vanceboro, 8120 Main Street. And our prices keep going up and going up and going up with lumber. I heard a report today that lumber has increased 160% just since the beginning of the year. That's incredible. But one good thing about our buildings is that they are very simple, and they're still the most affordable, most economical, affordable storage building you can buy in today's market. So if you're in the need of a good, heavy-duty, portable storage building, come by and see me, 8120 Main Street. In these times, it's a good idea to have extra storage space. Gas shortages. Shucks, even Bojangles ran out of chicken the other day here in Vanceboro. No chicken supreme dinners. So get you a storage building and start collecting a few essential items that you might need in the event of an emergency, which everyone should really do in North Carolina. With all the hurricanes and everything that have happened since I moved here 4 years ago from Phoenix, I think it's essential that everyone have one, if not two, storage buildings to store some essential supplies and emergency supplies. So thanks for watching. It's a beautiful day in North Carolina. In the 70s, sun is shining. Got a rain yesterday. And I just thanking God for the beautiful weather and for my health, that I can come out here every day and talk to people and help them find a good quality storage building. Come by and see me sometime. My name is Jeremy.